No mask, no service. Sounds familiar? But what are you expected to do if your autistic child refuses to wear one? Many of our children on the autism spectrum are experiencing many challenges during this COVID-19 pandemic. One of them is the use of face mask. And given the statistics worldwide, this is something we all have to deal with for a very long time. In some states and countries, there are mandatory mask wearing regulations that you must follow. So let's dive into today's steps to help you address this issue. Number one, as parents, we know our children's best. So if they have anxiety, epilepsy, and serious processing issues, it is advisable not to force them to wear one. In some areas, there are exemptions for those who are unable to wear them, so you should find out if this applies to your place of residence. Number two, let them choose their own mask. They are cartoon characters with different shapes and sizes. Some of them do not have to be directly pressuring the mouth or nose, but can have a protruding shape so they do not have to feel like they are suffocating. Number three, does your son or daughter have an activity that they love doing, like playing games on the computer, for example? Well, this is a great opportunity to get them to practice wearing masks because the activity becomes the distraction and it can help them get used to wearing them. Try for a few minutes at a time and increase the time as you feel they are getting used to it. Number four, try mask shield. Some children on the autism spectrum struggle to wear masks because it touches their nose and mouth and it creates sensory related issues that make them very uncomfortable. Instead, try to get a mask shield and see if it can work for your child. Given the fact that the shield covers their entire face without touching the skin directly, it could be a good choice for some children. Number five, once your child is able to wear the mask at home for a short period of time, you can plan to go out for a short walk around your neighborhood wearing the mask. If possible, make it a habit so your son or daughter can equate going out with wearing them. Just remember, in the beginning, you want to do it for a very short period of time until they can get used to it. Number six, some autistic children are very sensitive to others, and one of the reasons they might not want to wear the mask is because they don't like the smell of their own breath. So in this case, just ensure they brush their teeth with nice minty toothpaste that can keep the breath smelling fresh at all times. If it doesn't work, consider giving them sugar-free gum to chew while wearing the mask. I know this can become a stressful time for our kids and for us as parents, but the most important thing is to remember that we are all doing the very best we can with our particular situation at home. And the best thing we can do is to support our children and support other parents going through something similar. And you know what? I would love to hear from you and what some of the experience that you have, as well as some of your tips or challenges you are facing about your autistic child wearing a mask. So let me know all of this in the comment section below.